Coffee and photography, my two loves, but I'm not gonna be able to buy coffee unless I make money doing photography. So here are five photography pricing pitfalls. Five photography pricing pitfalls. Five photography pricing pitfalls. Here are five photography pricing pitfalls that most people fall into. But you're not gonna, because we're gonna talk about them. Number one, do not make your pricing super complicated. Make sure you have packages and a la carte, or if you're an a la carte person, fine, but just make it easy to read. Don't talk too much, don't type too much, don't send the 500 megabyte PDF. Make it simple, make it clean. A huge pitfall is thinking that because you raised your prices a whopping $25, that's why no one's booking you. Guess what? It's not. There are a myriad of reasons why someone is not booking you. It's probably not because you're charging $10 more than the guy down the street. If somebody loves you, they love your work, they're gonna book you. Don't make price the first thing that you attack when you think you aren't booking enough. Don't lower your prices because you're scared. I've seen photographers have success and start booking more clients because they've raised their prices. Don't fall into that pitfall. Don't lower your prices just because you're not booking. Instead of lowering your prices, find ways to be more valuable as a photographer. The third pitfall is that you're probably charging too little. Most people don't take the time to do the math and figure out their cost of sales or cost of business and all of that. More often than not, you're actually charging too little for what you're worth and what the industry commands. A lot of people think that they're charging too much because they have a ton of money in their bank account, and that's pitfall number 4, thinking you have more money than you actually have. You're collecting sales tax, you're collecting income tax, you're collecting what you're gonna have to pay out in freelancers, in graphic designers, in products. All that money that you take, it feels like you're rich. You're not rich. What is it? 80% of that is going out the door. Maybe you're keeping 20% of it. Finally, pitfall number 5, you're not doing the math. You have to do the math. You have to add up your cost of sales, add up your cost of business. The cost of business is all the subscription stuff that you buy, all the equipment that you buy here at Adorama, the album that you have to purchase, the canvas that you have to purchase, what it is that you pay in order to make the actual sale. So you have to do the math, add it all up, and then add up how much you want to make per hour, add up how many hours you work on a typical job, and then that is the minimum price that you can charge, adding your cost of sales, cost of business, and cost per hour that you want to make. I know that was a little fast and the math can be really hard for us photographers, so go ahead and download this little guide that I made for you that shows you exactly how to do the math with diagrams. Lots of visual aid photographers, don't worry, I won't leave you hanging. Like what you see, join us here and hit subscribe on that button below so you don't miss a thing on Adorama TV and with my show, Breathe Your Passion. And leave some comments, leave some love. I want to know if you're listening. I want to know what you want to hear. And please, don't be negative. You're going to be negative anyway. Comment below. Be negative. It boosts my algorithms every time. You internet troll, you.